we have here is a 1947 Ford Super Deluxe. Nicely restored example. Nice chrome, nice paint. Newer white wall tires. You can see she idles very nicely. It's got a lot of the factory options on it. It's got working spotlights. It's got backup lights. It's got the chrome bar in the front. Very nice car. Nice clean undercarriage, nice clean body. It's a nicely done restoration. Okay, you want to give her some revs?
Yep.
So, sounds very good. Got the factory flathead V8. And it's got the 3-speed manual transmission on the column. And it's also got the factory overdrive, which is very nice. So, if you have any questions at all on this car, please don't hesitate to give me a call or reach me in the comments or by email, and be happy to answer any questions you might have on it. Thank you.